There's the birthday boy. It's October 2nd, 2008. Oh, pardon us. First things first. Somebody's having a birthday today. He's 9 years old. 9 years ago today, those little paws first touched the earth. Nice view there. Wonder, come say hi to your aunties. Come say hi to your aunties. They've never seen. Oh, and that's why the neighbors love us. Hey! Come here. Wonder, come here. Come here. Get your butt over here. Well, it's his birthday. He can do whatever he wants. Okay, Wonder, come here. Come here. Come say hi to your aunties. Come say. Can you sit? Can you sit? Wonder. Can you sit? No, I can't. Hey. Yes, that's all fur. That's all him. There he is. Sweetie. Snoopies. Snookums. Show everybody how cute you are. Wonder. Alright, well, he wanted to say happy birthday to all of his aunties. Okay. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Okay. Here's to the next 9 years.